Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace daytime running lights on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and has cooled down to prevent any burns or electrical issues. Checking your owner's manual will confirm the exact bulb type you need for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's access those bulbs. You'll need to locate the daytime running light assembly, usually found at the front of your vehicle. Carefully remove any screws or clips that hold the assembly in place. Once these are out, you can gently pull the entire light assembly away from the vehicle, giving you better access to the bulbs. With the assembly accessible, it's time for the bulb swap. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Then, gently pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, hold it by its base and avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Push it in firmly until it's seated correctly. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully guide the light assembly back into its original position, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace all the screws or clips you removed earlier to secure it properly. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your vehicle and check that your new daytime running lights are working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.